Hey, so if you can't log in to Google Keep, yeah, like login fails, keeps loading, or shows an error, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step in 2026. First, make sure your internet is working properly. I mean, without a stable connection, Google login won't work at all. Next, yeah, double check your email and password. I mean, small typing mistakes are very common login issues. Now, try signing in through your Google account page first. I mean, if your Google account works there, Keep will also work. Yeah, corrupted cache can block login. Clearing cache often fixes sign-in problems instantly. Now, VPNs or proxies can interrupt Google login servers. Turn them off and try again. Yeah, an outdated app or browser can cause login errors. Make sure everything is fully updated. Now, try incognito mode or a different device. I mean, this helps bypass browser or device issues. Yeah, sometimes Google blocks login due to security checks. Verify your account or confirm through email or phone. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Google Keep. I mean, this resets corrupted login data completely. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Keep login problems. Most of the time, it's internet, cache, or account issues. Try these steps and you should be able to log in again. Thanks for watching.